You make racial slurs?
I might have.
You can't threaten people and you can't make racial slurs.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
House, Chris Gross, 250-2215.
Good morning, Your Honor. Timothy Procco, P59214, appearing for Attorney Butchart on behalf of the plaintiff, Baldwin House.
Good morning. The defendant is here and is approaching. Good morning, sir.
Morning, Judge.
How are you?
Good.
Your name?
Chris Gross.
Did you listen to and understand the rights?
I did.
You wish to speak to a lawyer?
I'm dealing with Volunteers of America. I'm on a housing voucher because I'm a homeless veteran. And the whole problem started here is when I got out of the hospital and May 4th over at Wyandotte, I come home and my apartment was broke into. So they stole my money and I showed the manager, Tanya, I don't know her last name, what happened to my apartment. She's like, oh my God. So.
Did you make a police report?
They got everything right there and I just haven't had the money to go get it. But,
So get money to go get what?
Police report.
So you did file a police report?
They have a police report ready for me. The Brownstown Police.
Did you call them?
I live right by there.
No, listen, I want to make sure. I think we're talking a little about the same language, but I don't know. Did you go into the police station and make a police report?
No.
Did you call the police station and make a police report?
No, I don't have my phone. I go.
All right, slow down.
Okay.
So there's been no police report filed, correct?
They said they have one. They told me to come pick it up.
Did somebody from Baldwin House file a police report?
I'm not aware of that, Your Honor. No, I don't believe they did.
So if somebody broke into your unit and stole your money, you should make a police report.
Right.
You should have done it then.
Well, see, then I had to go back to the hospital again, and I was in there I got home on the 21st of May to take care of business, and I got to go back to have a couple surgeries.
Okay, let's go back on track here. Do you want to speak to a lawyer?
No, I can't afford it.
We'll give you one.
Okay.
You want to speak to a lawyer?
Yeah.
Did you apply for, or do you intend to apply for funding?
I do.
Your Honor, this is a termination case, just to clarify for the record. It's not a non-payment case.
I see. Thank you. I always make this assumption.
No problem.
Dad used to tell me not to do
I
that.
understand you got to do your rights. I get it. I just want to make sure that we were clear.
So, do you have a place to go?
No, not right now. I could probably go back to the shelter, but I'd have to find out if they got room, or I could just live in my car.
Slow down. I don't want you living in a car. But
My voucher's still good. I can go down to the
yeah,
voucher.
but they're terminating the tenancy.
Okay.
Okay. Did the lease expire? Is that what happened, counsel?
No, it's basically based upon Mr. Gross's behavior, multiple incidents of behavior. There have been police reports filed as a result of his behavior, but I'm not aware of a police report with respect to the damage.
So contrary to rules of the landlord.
It's a lease violation, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Lease violations.
So, look, I still am going to give him the opportunity to speak to an attorney.
Understood.
But applying for funding isn't going to help you here. That has nothing to do with this case.
Okay.
Okay?
I try to work with management and tell them that I would make payments.
It's not about money.
Okay.
They're saying you're violating the lease provisions.
Okay.
Okay? And it has nothing to do with money.
Well, my lease isn't up yet.
Well, I understand, but they're saying you violated lease provisions.
Okay.
And you said specifically, what did he do, Mr. Prochko?
Well, there's a laundry list, Your Honor, if you will, dating back to early April. There's been multiple events about his run-ins with other tenants, how he's treating them. He's screaming and yelling at people. He's been abrasive toward management. He's caused damage to
Caused damage to what?
premises. There was a water machine or something that he damaged back on April 9th and 10th. He's yelled racial slurs at a maintenance supervisor. He's had run-ins with multiple staff members. He's threatened other tenants to blow their head off their shoulders. Quote. And that was the subject of a police report, Your Honor, Brownstown Police Report 258947. There was another incident where some of the tenants alleged that he threatened harm to them, which is Brownstown Police Report 258940. So there's been 6 or 8 incidents here, Your Honor, and that's the general basis of the lease violations and termination.
Are you talking to a counselor or anything?
No,
Do you drink?
I do.
Were you intoxicated maybe when some of these things happened?
This is all.
I'm asking you, were you intoxicated when some of these things happened? If they happened, did you threaten to kill people?
No, not at all.
Did you make racial slurs?
I might have.
Well, why would you, listen, there's no place here.
I understand, Judge.
There is no place.
I apologize.
Well, you can't do that. You can't threaten people and you can't make racial slurs. Stop. Listen, I have the utmost respect for anybody who served in the military. I really do. I really do. It breaks my heart to see somebody that's this old, you got a cane, but you can't do that. I'm serious.
Well, I apologize.
Well, it's not good enough. You can't do that. It's like the guy who robs the bank and says, I apologize when he gets caught, or beats up his wife, or goes and kills somebody. I mean, no. It's not good enough.
All right, I understand. I'll get help. Or I'll go back to the shelter.
I'm going to adjourn this 1 week so you can speak to a lawyer.
Okay,
I'm setting this on June the 23rd.
okay.
Your Honor, is that formal hearing or is that another pretrial?
Just another trial.
Okay.
I have a feeling you guys can work it out. June 23rd at what time?
10 o'clock, Your Honor.
10
And
o'clock.
we did give you that packet to your,
What's this?
that is the termination complaint. I apologize. I didn't have it printed,
Okay.
just so you had it.
Come on. Come on.
I understand.
Come on. I mean, we're going to put you in a breakout room to speak to one of these lawyers. I just don't understand the anger and hatred in this country anymore. My Lord, we're supposed to be on the same team.
Can I speak for
No. No, go talk to the lawyer.
All right,
And then June the 23rd, you come back here.
all right.
So he's going to set you up. They're going to set you up with a caseworker. You make sure you make that call in the next day or two so you're ready to proceed on this next week. Okay?
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.